Now to set up a Windows virtual machine, you're going to click on the new here, then give a name to our virtual machine. I'm going to name my Windows 10 machine, then select the ISO file you downloaded. I will leave the link in the description. I'll leave the link in the description below to the official website of Windows. Then click on the skip unattended installation. I'll check the unattended installation box. Then you select the size of the hard disk for your virtual machine. You can also change the size of the memory and the number of processes, and click on finish. Once finished, you click on start here to start your virtual machine. And click on next. Click on the install button here. Click on you don't have a product key. If you have, just put in. Then you select one of the operating systems here. I'm gonna select Windows 10 Pro and click on next. Then you accept the line systems, then click on the custom here and click on next. You click on yes here, and wait, and click on yes to select the default keyboard layout. Click on skip. Just give a name to your PC. Give any name to your PC. I'm gonna name mine Windows. Then click on next. And you create a password for your Windows virtual machine. You confirm the password and click on next. You select one of these security questions, then you give an answer here. Let's go to the second one, select, then you give an answer. And I click on next, then another one, and you give an answer, and I click on yes or next. Wait, and you click on accept. click on not now. Wait. And that's it. You've installed Windows on your virtual, also you've created a Windows virtual machine. And that's it.